Hi everyone, welcome to 810 Adventures. Today we are going to the Iowa State Fair for the first time. We actually bought tickets for 2 days. We're going to go today, which is Friday, and again on Wednesday. We're excited to go to the fair today. I have yet to get the girls around, so we're going to do that. Kevin has some meetings, and then we'll get on the road. We made it into the Iowa State Fair. Hey girlies. Hey Sky, are you excited?
Yeah.
You want to get something to eat?
Yeah, that's why I've never seen these.
They're really pretty.
Yeah,
Don't touch them though. They're peppers, I think.
Yep, those are the peppers.
Ready to eat.
That's pretty cool, huh? You want to say hi to Mommy's camera?
We're in the swine barn.
Yeah, he's a big one. It does not look entertaining.
Yeah, not at all. I know, me too. I know you are worse.
Those are our chips we get.
Oh, yep.
Haley, I can see you down there.
Macho Nacho.
Macho.
$10, you didn't pay that much. Macho Nacho's $10, you didn't pay that much.
No.
Down where
Oh, we do. Yeah, we'll definitely find some games to play. They're so big.
You get excited about food on a stick.
Yeah.
I mean, technically a stick. Like, I just don't care.
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
Pay for that bucket.
Yeah, cool. I got a plastic bucket.
Yeah. We bounced on the Iowa State Fair. It's not for us. We went to the arcade, had a blast. The girls got a big, huge thing of crafting stuff. We ate food, got our groceries done, going home to relax. It is a beautiful Saturday morning. I woke up at 5 a.m. Played around on my phone for about 30 minutes, and now I'm outside to do my Pokemon walk. I'm gonna do some duck, duck, Jeep if I see any. We had an amazing time at the arcade yesterday. The Iowa State Fair was not our vibe. The kids did not enjoy it. We did not have fun. The cookies are good. Fries were okay. Not a lot of games for kids to play. I wasn't doing rides. So we went to Game Day Arcade, which was like 10 miles away at the mall there. Had a great time. Won 5,400 tickets. We just had a blast. Had some great food there as well. Came home. We got home after 9 p.m. Central. I actually edited the whole video for next week, which comes out 6 days from now, on Thursday. So I'm proud of that. And I'm gonna go get my Pokemon done now and see what today brings. I have no idea what the weather's gonna be, but right now it's beautiful. Doing my Pokemon. Gonna give you a shot of the RV park from across the street. This place is one of the best things about Iowa so far is our campground, which is a good thing since we're here for a month. I think today we're going to try to do some trip planning to see where we go next after this. The timing is kind of bad of our ending of our reservations here is 8/29, and that's Skylar's first day of first grade, so we'll see how that goes. We were able to sleep with the windows open in the RV last night for the first time in a long time. Usually it's too hot or muggy out to even open the windows. But when we got home after the fair and arcade and everything last night, we realized it was like in the 60s, so we were able to open it up, and we didn't have the air running when we were gone. We didn't want to waste. We also wanted just to have our AGS, which is the automatic generator, start on while we were away all day, just in case something happens. Want to make sure our rig stays powered and all that good stuff. So anyway, we opened the windows to cool it down and then realized it was going to be cool overnight. It was a little nice sleeping weather. The whole morning walk was beautiful. Winds were coming and going. I'm going to check the weather now to see what we have in store. We already promised the girls that they could do their crafts this morning once everybody's awake. Allie wants me to make a little puppy in a basket thing with her, and then we'll see what Skylar wants to make. With 5,400 tickets won, they got the craft jar. Girls each got a card and a coin as a remembrance of the game day arcade. We had a blast. It's a windy, breezy, chilly Sunday morning, cloudy. I have to close up the gray tank because our black tank is getting close to being full, and we need that gray water to help rinse out the black tank water stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and close that up and get the tube all on its cradle, get back inside. When they mowed the lawn, they did not mow back here. And I gotta get my gloves. All right, I got my gloves. I'm gonna shut the tank. Here's our gray tank here. Go ahead and close that so we can gain some water in the tank. And then fix the slinky down there. Hoping that it's like kind of secure for when we go to dump the black tank. We'll see how it goes when it's time to dump. It is a lovely Monday morning. I came out to do my Pokemoning and there was a little surprise. So right where I'm pointing, there was a hemisphere that there was no one there for so long. It was right over here in this spot, and now it's right next door. Either they moved it to mow, or coincidentally they moved it and a different hemisphere came in, but now we have neighbors. All right, so I filmed that last clip as this man's in the hemisphere was leaving. You can see his truck's gone now. But what I was trying to say is that I'm pretty sure this unit, this hemisphere, was over there. I'm pretty sure this guy here was in the space behind him. And I'm pretty sure that the AC was just running for the last 2 weeks. We haven't seen anybody here this whole time. So I'm wondering if they made him move because they needed to mow. Like, you'll see the grass here in a second. So either they made him move so they can mow, and you'll see how crazy the grass is. So they can mow that, or maybe he's back and this is the spot. My Pokemon and walk is done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my work stuff, bring it out here, and get to work this morning. They seem to be very protective. I don't think cows like people very much. It's time to empty the tank. My job is to secure this here with my foot.
It's a little thick with this gravel.
Yeah, they didn't want to F up our hoses. Testing gray. Gray came through.
Was it not on there?
No, I'm ready. I switched feet. Say goodbye. We wait for this to empty out, then we pull the gray. Then we leave gray open after we're all done. Say goodbye to that. It's okay. We'll fix you. Anybody want to see the poop? And my ankle? The hose expanded there. We have a little extra. Okay, that's all the black on this side. It's probably all on the hose still. Here comes gray to wash down all the poop. There's the gray. Then we gotta fix this hose here once everything's through. I think this is the crucial part where my foot is important. Okay, I'm gonna lift my foot for a moment, like this. And now I'm great. Gotta get the Captain Morgan stance going here. See it in the shadow?
Jesus.
Some of it's here, but not much. Garbage truck. Gotta try to empty all the water out of the hose here. Usually it doesn't unravel this much. Sometimes it does. Got a lot of extra. Until the next dumperoo. It is early on Wednesday morning. Kevin and I are off of work today. The original plan was to meet up with Lexi at the Iowa State Fair. We went to the Iowa State Fair early. Our kids did not have fun. We went to the arcade and had even more fun. So we changed the plans up with Lexi and said, hey, let's hit up an arcade, let them do dinner. Well, Worlds for Rocket League happened this weekend. Her and her husband went. He has a high fever. They tested negative for COVID, but I don't know. I think we're gonna play it safe and probably not meet up with her, just in case. I would much rather not get sick like I did last time. I'm probably not gonna meet up with her, so who knows what the plans are gonna be today. Like I said, originally we were gonna drive to Des Moines, hit up the arcade, have some food, and meet Lexi, but we'll see. It's kind of chilly this morning. I'm gonna do my Pokemon walk. You guessed it, we're at another arcade. It's our vacation day, going to get some arcade time in and then eat some food. Hit the Best Buy, check out the mall maybe, we'll see. I learned to like this game over here, the Avengers. But it's out of service. Liquid Daddy, one for Allie.
Yeah, which is Pinkie Pie.
Yay, Liquid Daddy, one for Skylar.
Hello, my name is Pinkie Pie.
Good job, girls.
Big dinosaur.
So far, spare time is pretty fun.
Yeah, good hit. Yeah, see, the door's open. They open the door so it won't run.
All right, our time at spare time sucked. We didn't enjoy it. We got some stuff with the tickets. Games were expensive. Put 50 on each card, and we're ready to go find a better arcade. So probably gonna go to Pizza Ranch because we know there's food and another arcade. So let's get it. Happy Thursday.
How long we're catching it? Hi, Mommy.
Hey, baby.
Daddy said after this we
Let go of
we
it a
can go
little
to
bit
the
earlier,
swing.
okay? So it stays
Okay.
up first. Throw it up.
Yeah,
And
push.
just go at mine.
Woo!
Good job.
Hey, Craft.
Here, I'll throw it to you. I'll throw it to you.
Throw it to you.
Let's see if Mommy can do it.
Let's see if Mom
Let's see if Mommy can do it. Ready, Allie?
Yeah.
Wow, that was a good throw.
Thanks.
Ella catched it.
It is a windy, cloudy Friday. I'm gonna go show you some footage of the North American Diving Dogs event that's happening this weekend here at the campground. I'm gonna go do my Pokemoning and enjoy my day off. This is where the Diving Dogs event is going to be, starting today. I already put the pool up. I'm pretty sure they were practicing yesterday. All these people on this side are here for the event. This was all empty just before. Yeah, this whole section was pretty empty before yesterday. Looks like they're greyhounds. I just passed a few people with greyhounds. Definitely be interesting to see if we can catch any of it this weekend. This place definitely fills up for events. That's all I have for this video. You'll see me in the next one.